Hello everyone, today Keltek lead in less than 5 minutes starting from a factory Serum preset. Let's go. So, first thing first, here's what the final product will sound like. So, you get the idea, now let's get down to business. In a new pattern, I loaded a brand new Serum. It's the init preset right now. I'll show you which preset will go from, and I also loaded the MIDI of the top melody, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. So first I will go to the preset miscellaneous and then so scream my name, and that preset sounds like this with the melody. So you can already hear that the idea behind the lead is already present, but we have the problem is that the rhythm is coming over and over, like with this LFO, and also the glide effect is a bit too much and it's a bit too low. So let's fix all of that. So the first thing here, the LFO one, I'll just change its mode to envelope instead of trigger, which means that it will only play that shape once every time you hit a new note. Then change the rate from 1/4 to 1/8, and also I will get all these oscillator 1 octave higher, so -2 instead of -3. What I'll already do also is lower its volume because it's really loud. Let's see how it sounds like now. Get the volume a bit up. Next thing I'm gonna do is go to the metrics here and change the envelope here, the value from 25 to 19, because it's actually not on the correct key. Meaning if I was hitting a C on that preset and a C on another preset anywhere else, it would not be the same key. So I figured out just by looking around that 19 was the correct value for this preset. Next, go to the effects, disable the chorus and the delay. Go to the hyper and dimension, get the detune all the way up, get the rate around 60%, get the unison to 7 voices and the mix to around 60%. And now it sounds like this. So we added a lot of like nice modulation and nice unison to this entire sound. The next thing I'm gonna do is just lower the mix of the filter and maybe also a little bit the volume because it might be a bit louder, as you've seen the shape here. So remove some kind of like messy frequencies that can be in there. You can also do that with just an equalizer, but here for the sake of the tutorial I'll just keep it there. So now the last step is just to get rid of that glide on every single note. So what I'll do is use the velocity to trigger that effect. As you can see here on the melody, we have two different velocity. One being like when the glide is triggered, the other one when it's not. So if I see here there is a green dot, what I'll do is like I'll create a nice like squarish shape. So either a 0 or 100%. So here I'll create a new point and slide it just after that green dot I can see here, and then I will create a new one and slide it so that it's really squarish, meaning that when one of the notes here is played with the lower velocity, it will not trigger it, and with the higher one it will trigger it. And how to do this? It's easy. You go to the matrix, you see here the chorus pitch, you'll go to the auxiliary source, meaning it's something that will like trigger that thing here, like between the 0 and 100%. So you just select the velocity, and now when it's 0, that thing is basically like this, and if it's like there, it will be completely like this. So meaning it will be triggered or it will not. And now it sounds like this. So you can hear that some notes have this thing enabled and other does not. Okay, so last step now, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like together with the other lead, like if it's actually what I showed at the beginning of the video. So let's drop it in here. set it to its correct couplet chain, disable this one, which was the one of the example, and now it sounds like this. So, I didn't lie, Keltek lead less than 5 minutes. So, thank you for following this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, to subscribe if you want more of this. Just so you know, that's something I first did live on my Twitch channel, which appears now on the screen, and if not, it's in the description. And you can find me streaming every Saturday at 8 PM CET. Come say hi, and yeah, maybe we'll have fun together. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.